and welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. So in today's video, I'm bringing you 2 different ways that you can use corn flour that I love using on my hair and truly work. So the first remedy is for hair that needs to be nourished, and the second remedy is for oily hair that needs to be nourished too. So for the first remedy, all you're going to need is 100 milliliters of cold milk and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix these together and put it on medium to low heat, always stirring until you reach this kind of consistency. The corn flour is rich in minerals, vitamins, and has the superpower of hydrating the hair, and the milk also has hydrating and nutritive effects. It also has lactose that will leave the hair straightened and more manageable. Place this mixture in the bowl and let it cool down for 5 minutes, and then add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And sugar has an amazing power to straighten the hair naturally and make it shine. You can add a hair mask on this mixture, or you can use it as it is. This will give you an amazing effect on your hair. So the second way to use corn flour on the hair is by adding 1 teaspoon of cold water in a container and 1 to 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Stir it until the corn flour has dissolved, and after that add a mask of your choice. Add half a teaspoon of a vegetable oil and mix it together. I'll be using my own mixture of oils that I already have the remedy in this channel, so if you'd like to check it out, I will leave the link on the description box down below. So both of these remedies can be applied the same way. So after you wash your hair with the shampoo, take the excess of the water with the cotton t-shirt, and this will be less aggressive for your hair than using a towel. Apply it layer by layer and then leave it on for the recommended time of your hair mask. Wash it out and then just style it the way you would like. This hair mask is indicated for curly hair, hydrating and leaving the curl more defined, and reduces frizz as well. If you have wavy to straight hair, it will leave your hair more straightened naturally, and it will leave it shinier for having a low pH level that will close the cuticle of your hair as well. You will notice that reduces the appearance of split ends and dry hair. Honestly, try it out and let me know in the comments down below if you have tried it, that I would love to know. So this is the result. The hair feels very light, hydrated, shiny and smooth. Honestly, corn flour is amazing for any type of hair. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!